So to start with, we are going to be checking out our skirt length. The actual skirt length is 40 inches. I added 1.5 for the seam allowance. It makes it 41.5, and that is what I'm checking out now. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. This skirt is so simple, you can cut it under 3 minutes. Then I'm increasing the wideness because I want the down part to be 20.5 inches. You can use 22 depending on how wide you want it to be. So 20.5 is okay for me. Then I will proceed to chalk out my hip line, my knee line, and others. That's my hip line. You can use 9 inches, you can use 8.5. It depends on how tall the person is actually. But mine is okay at 9.9 inches. On my knee line is 19 inches. I minus my seam allowance of the half inches from upper part from it, then I later chalked 18.5 inches, but you can use 19, is okay, 19 is okay. My waistline, my hip line, then my knee line. The first line is the waistline and the second is the hip line. Then my hip is 40 inches divided by 410 plus 2.3 sewing allowance, and it makes it's not up to 13. It's not up to 13. So I minus 2 inches from it for the knee measurements because I want it to be I don't want it to just, I want it to have a shape. You can minus 3 inches. Depends on how even you want it to be, but mine 2 inches is okay for me. For the waistline, I input my measurement there with 2.5 sewing allowance, and that is even giving me that hip shape. You can draw this without any uh, tools or any equipment, with your free hand. Then I'm going to be joining it together now. You can use your ruler here, but I don't have a ruler yet. Then I'm using my tape ruler. Checking it out so that you can see. Then you're going to cut. And that is the front part. For the other part, you're going to place your front part to the other part, and the other part is our back. For here, that's my zip allowance that I'm trying to chalk out. I added 1.1 inches for the zip allowance. You can add 1.5. Then here, I'm not going to roll it out straight. For some people, they will just roll it out straight. But for here, I want the back to have more shape. Then I slant my hand a little. I added for that down one, I added like 5 inches so that I'll be able to slant my hand. You can make it straight, you can make it anyhow you want. You can, it depends on your choice anyway. Then we are going to cut. Then I'm going to cut it out now. And that's all. I'm trying to show you that it's not straight, that you need to add 5 inches for the down part in order to get your slant. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.